Subscribe right now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Ghause Azam, Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, once mentioned a waqia, an incident. He said that once I have kept fast roza since many days, and I did not eat anything. In the early age of Ghause Azam life, when he was young, he used to fast too much for Allah's sake, for Allah's fondness. So further he said, then I passed from a street. There was someone appeared from nowhere, and he gave me a coin, which I accepted from him. Then I have went to a shop where I have given it to a confectioner of sweets, a halwai, and then I brought the dessert, halwa, in a small paper bag. And then I went to my empty masjid where I stay in loneliness and where I fight against my nafs. Then I put this dessert near mihrab in front of me. Afterward I lost in the thought that should I eat this halwa puri or not for some time. His hunger was too much at that time, but still he was controlling it unbelievably. Allahu Akbar. All this is for to defeat the nafs, that is a hidden enemy of human. That's the dedication of Ghause Azam. Further he said that then my eyes fell into one paper which was lying in the shade of wall, and then I picked it up. In that paper it was written in the old and the past holy books of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is written that what does desire and delights means to lions of Allah. Desire and delights is for those who are weak and sick. After reading it, I left the desert, the halwa, in front of mihrab forever. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Oh my dear Muslim, what were you thinking till now? The lions of Allah will someone who have a pride, someone with glory, someone with strong muscle and body, huh? The one who ruled the people and the one who dominate the people is lion of Allah. The one who tried to control people, these are the lions of Allah. No, there are not. These all people are weak and sick in terms of their iman, faith, ibadah, deeds, amal, worship. They are far away from their Rabb, and they do not have fear of Allah Azza wa Jal. But the one who fight against his desire for Allah, who walk and live in earth with modesty and humility, who live the life for Allah and die for Him, for whom Allah Azza wa Jal and His Rasul and His Deen come first, for whom ilm, amal and ibadat come first, the one who day and night fight against his shaitan and nafs until his last breath, the one who live his whole life according to the sunnah of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the one who spent his day and night in taqwa, a true slave of Allah Almighty. Oh my dear Muslim brothers, sisters and respected elders and juniors, please get close to your Creator. Don't forget Him, obey Him, don't disobey Him, submit yourself before Him, always listen to Him, don't destroy yourself by questioning Him. Satisfy yourself upon your taqdeer, divine decree. Don't be worried about your world future which will leave you soon. And always remember that Allah has sent you in this world, and He is the one whom you have to return. From Him you will get benefit, and from Him you will get azab. He is the one who gives honor or disgrace. Submit yourself to Allah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim and follow the path of beloved and the blessed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam. Ameen. Summa